Hi there, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Today we're taking a detailed look at all our wide range of Tolsen hand tools available here at topmaq.co.nz. At TopmaQ we offer an absolutely massive selection of Tolsen hand tools. Quality tools that DIY users and tradies can rely on at an extremely affordable price. From pliers, clamps and vices, to wrenches, spanners, ratchets and socket sets. Fastening tools, including a wide range of screwdrivers and precision sets, Allen keys, riveters and staple guns. Hammers, chisels, mallets and sledges. A huge range of cutting equipment, including craft knives, snips and saws. A huge selection of gardening tools, including saws and shears. A wide range of files and other finishing equipment. Pipe cutters, thread sets and other plumbing equipment and accessories. Measuring tools. Painting and plastering tools, including brushes, rollers, scrapers and trowels. Toolkits, including boxes, bags and full sets. Electrical tools, including wire strippers, crimping tools and soldering irons. We also have an increasingly wide selection of insulated hand tools, which we will cover more in depth in another video. So get yourself down to TopmaQ and check out our massive selection of Tolsen hand tools. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you guys next time.